Hello my people, happy Sunday. Today's Sunday. I don't know if you guys, anyways, happy Sunday. I'm about to take y'all with me behind the scenes on how I take my own pictures when I have to take my own pictures. So I'm wearing this little dress from, I think it's Pretty Little Thing. I'll put it on the screen if it's not. And I decided to do a little concept thing. So we have a light blue bag with the light blue sneakers, and then we have the brown bag. I'll show you guys when I go outside. It's kind of dark inside. Clicker, cannot take my own pictures without this clicker and my little stand here. So we're about to go do this right now. I would ask someone to do it for me, but I don't really want to bother anybody, and I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone by just doing, you know. If the moment the idea comes, I'm gonna do it. So all right, so I'm in the car. I'm just gonna go by the pool. Anyways, I'm just taking you guys behind the scenes on what I be doing when I don't have somebody to take my pictures, which is like 50-50. Sometimes I have somebody, sometimes I don't. I want to catch the sun because the sun is hitting right now, as you can see. Oh, the sun. So hopefully it's facing a good direction at the pool. Hopefully there's nobody at the pool, but even if there is, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Oh my god, this seatbelt thing. Oh my gosh, I missed my car because this seatbelt thing is so loud. Oh my god. Hopefully nobody's at the pool because I really want to strap my stuff. I mean, they don't think nobody should be. It's literally 60 degrees outside right now. Let's do this. So as you can see, the reasons why I want to take them by the pool. I just need to find a cute location. Nobody's here. Perfect. But I'm just gonna set everything up. Oh, right here. Yep, right here. All right, let me set you guys up so you can see me setting up. All right, we're about to do these. First things first, we set up the tripod. Clothes, I'm gonna do the brown shoes first. Here I am. So I have the brown bag and the brown shoes. I'm not gonna wear socks because I wear them no shows anyways, and all right, shoes on. It's windy out here, so just broke another nail. Let's do it. All right, so I'm gonna set you guys down right here. Let's do some tests. Yes. All right, let me show you guys. Oh, this is so perfect. Oh, you can't see the brown shoes that much though. All right, I'm gonna have to do extra shots somewhere else where you can see the bottom shady, but so I always stop in the middle to see what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, and I'm glad I did, because a lot of them my feet are cropped off. Like most of them my feet are cropped off. So this is why we have to stop and go, stop and go. So I just need to tilt the camera down. All right, so we have some good shots over there. Now I'm gonna move to where there's complete sun so I can get the shoes and everything. Right here is perfect.
from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy.
Let me do some smiling.
Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you take it.
This is so funny for me. All right, so I'm gonna go change into the other. All right, we got the blue. Alright, last bit, I'm gonna do some shots of just the shoes and the purse. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna put the phone on the chair. Let's see what it's looking like. It's cute. And that's how we do that. About 15 minutes. Yes, ma'am. All right, I'm gonna go sit back over there and look at everything, make sure I have all the shots I intended, and then I'll go home